Hello students, welcome to the chapter Relations and Functions. This is a lecture 5 in this chapter. Dear students, in the last class we have studied the function, the definition of the function, and also the second PUC types of functions. Those are one onto function and bijective function. In this class, I am going to discuss the problems on one and onto function. Before that, let me recall the definitions of one and onto function. Dear students, one function, when we say the function is one, the definition says different elements have different images. Different elements of the domain have different images in the codomain. Then the function is called as one function. For example, if A is not equal to B implies f of A is also not equal to f of B. It means that elements are not equal and images are not equal. Dear students, you can understand by this, if elements are not equal, then images are also not equal. Then the function is one. The another way is that suppose images are equal for two elements A and B, f of A is equal to f of B, then elements A and B are also equal, then also the function f is one. Dear students, there are two ways. One is this one, the another way is here is the another way. I repeat, if elements are not equal, then images are also not equal, then the function is one. If images are equal, then elements are also equal, then the function is one. Remember, these are the two ways to say the function is one. Next, I will take onto function. When we say the function is onto, already I have discussed this in the last video. One more time I am taking the definition of onto. There are again two ways. One is, suppose there is a function from the set A to the set B. Say f is a function from A to B. All the elements in B are images. Remember, all the elements in the set B are the images. Then the function is onto function. This is one way. The another one, codomain of the function should be equal to, codomain of the function f should be equal to the range of the function f. Then also the function is onto function. Dear students, this is the method 1 and this is the method 2. What the method 1 says? Elements in the set B are images. All elements in the set B, not only few elements, each and every element in the set B are images. Then the function is onto. What is the method number 2? Codomain of the function is equal to range of the function, then the function is called as onto function. Hope you will remember these two. And the last one, as you know, if the function is one and onto, then we call it as bijective function. So let us start the problems on these two types of functions. Dear students, this is the best example to understand the basic part of one onto problems. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and the set B is 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the two non-empty sets. Then you have a function that is having the ordered pairs 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Remember, function is already relation. After a relation, this has become the function by satisfying the definition of function. So now we have the function from the set A to the set B. Then show that is the question. F is one function. F is not onto. State the rule defining this function. Means these are the ordered pairs 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 will satisfy one rule that we have to assign here. That is the third question. Let me start with the first one. I will prove this function is 1, 1 function. Let me draw the arrow diagram of this one, a function from A to B. You can observe 1, 4. What it means? 1 is related to 4. 2, 5. 2 is related to 5. 3, 6. 3 is related to 6. You can observe, students, different elements in the domain have different images in the codomain. Therefore, this function is called as 1, 1 function. Hope you understood. This is a domain. This is the codomain. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 are different. Their images 4, 5, 6 respectively are also different. Hence, we got different elements have different images. Hence, the function is 1, 1. You can see that different elements in A has different images in B. Therefore, the function is 1, 1. Very simple. Second, onto. Dear students, the definition of onto says each element should be image of some elements from the set A. Here what happened? 4 is the image. Okay. 5 is also the image. Yes. 6 is also the image. Yes. But this 7 is not an image of any element in the set A. Therefore, this function is not onto function. Hope you are understanding. 7 belongs to the set B, means codomain, does not have a pre-image. Therefore, this is not onto. We proved the function is 1, 1 and the function is not onto. Next, state the rule defining the function. The third question. Dear students, when you take 1, you are getting 4. When you take 2, you will get 5. When you take 3, you will get 6. It means that if I say f of x is equal to y, then x values are definitely 1, 2, 3 and y values are 4, 5, 6. So when you take x, you will get, when you take x equal to 1, you will get 4. When you take x equal to 2, you will get 5. When you take x equal to 3, you will get 6. It means that somewhere f of x is equal to x plus 3. You can observe, taking 1, 4 you will get, taking 2, 5 you will get, taking 3, 6 you will get. Therefore, the rule that we can assign to this is y equal to f of x equal to x plus 3. This is the rule that we can define for this function having the ordered pairs 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Hope you followed. Let me take the next question. Show that the function f from n to n. Dear students, try to understand. This is a function f from n natural numbers to the set of natural numbers. Before you should know, this we call it as domain and this we call it as codomain. Remember always, students, this alphabet always acts as domain and this alphabet after the arrow mark, what the alphabet you get now, that acts as codomain. In the codomain there will be range. Remember, inside this there will be range of the function. These are the three basic parts that you should remember before going to solve the problem. This function defined as f of x equal to 2x. Prove that it is 1, 1 but not onto. Let me have the solution. Let us understand the function f of x is equal to 2x. Many students will not try to understand the function. Dear students, f of x equal to 2x means you should take the values of x from n and you will substitute in the function. So let me start x equal to 1. Then what f of 1 I will get? 2 into 1 because f of x is 2x, that will be 2. When x equal to 2, what will be the image of 2? 2 into 2, that will be 4. Dear students, try to understand, when I take x equal to 3, its image in this function will be, I just substitute x value 3. So 2 into 3 will be 6. So like this you have to take x values and you will get required y values, means f of values. So this is the meaning of the function. Now taking this function, let us prove this is 1 1 but not onto. Arrow diagram is the best way to understand. Here 1 is related to 2 because just now I told you, when you take x equal to 1, what the image of 1 you will get? 2 into 1 will be 2. That's why 1 is related to 2. And what about 2 is related to 4? 3 is related to 6. And it will continue. 4 is related to 8. 5 is related to 10. So and so and so on. So taking this arrow diagram, f of x is equal to 2x. Let me take in general, because this function is 1 1. I feel this function is going to be 1 1 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all will have the image. So all will have the different images. All the elements will have the images and all those images are different. No element will have the same image. That's why I will take in the way that images are equal. So f of a equal to f of b. Look at the function f of x equal to 2x. So if you take a, then it will be 2a we get. If you take b, 2b we get. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. A equal to b. It means that images are equal and elements are also equal. Dear students, in the beginning I explained, in the beginning of this video I explained, two ways are there for 1 1. Here images are equal, elements are equal. Then the function is 1 1 function. Next we'll go to the onto. Take any definition of onto. Here 3 element belongs to the set of natural number, that is codomain, does not have a pre-image. You can see the arrow diagram. 3 is an element in the codomain, but this is not an image of any element in the domain. So we call it as 3 is not having any pre-image. When 3 is not an image, definitely 3 will not have a pre-image. Therefore, it fails the definition of onto. Hence we call the function is not onto function. This is one. Another way, if range of the function is, what is the range of the function? Range means the set of images. So what are the elements in the range? Means what are the images? 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are the elements in the range of the function. What is a codomain? Codomain is set of natural numbers. So that is not equal to codomain, that is set of natural numbers. Then also we call it as the function is not onto. Either you write this reason in the examination or this solution in the examination. Any one you write, you will get the marks. 1 mark for proving the function is 1 1 and another 1 mark is for proving the function is not onto. So totally this is a question of 2 mark. Hope you are understanding the problems on 1 1 and onto. Like this we will solve the problems. Concentrate till the last. Show that the function f from R to R defined as f of x equal to 2x is 1 1 and onto. This function is 1 1 as well as onto. Let me give you the solution. Of course, we should understand the function. Best way of understanding the function is taking the arrow diagram. Here I have taken a function f from the set of real numbers to the set of real numbers. R means set of real numbers. According to f of x equal to 2x, elements from the domain will relate to the elements of the codomain. How they relate? According to f of x equal to 2x. So 1 is related to 2 because when you substitute 1 in the place of x, you will get to 2. 2 is related to 4. Next element in the domain I have considered 2.1, that is related to 4.2. Hope you are understanding. This function is 1 1 because each and every element of domain have the images and those images are different. Therefore, different elements have different images. Hence, this is called 1 1 function. But we will take it in this general way because all elements I can't express here. Generally, I express. Suppose A and B are the elements in the set of real numbers, that is domain. Taking AB belongs to R. This R is domain. Okay. F of A equal to 2A. F of B equal to 2B because f of x is 2x. So 2 and 2 cancel, A equal to B. Therefore, the function is 1 1 function. Here for elements A and B in the set of real numbers, that is domain, images are equal, elements are also equal. The function is 1 1 function. Next for onto, very important. Dear students, let us say B belongs to the set of real numbers. Say it is a codomain, be an element. If possible, let A belongs to the R, means domain, be the pre-image of B. F of A is equal to B. This is the way of expressing the function. F of A, according to this, f of x equal to 2x will be 2A is equal to B. Then if I solve for A, I get B by 2. Dear students, this A belongs to the set of real numbers. Fractions, rational numbers, definitely real numbers. Therefore, this is onto function. Actually, what it says, students, B is in the codomain. For B, there exists A, that is in the domain. It means that every element in the codomain has the pre-image. Every element in the codomain are the images. Therefore, the function is onto function. Therefore, we proved the function is 1 1 and the function is onto. Next example. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the function. Injectivity means 1 1. Surjectivity means onto. Check the function is 1 1 onto or not is nothing but check the injectivity and surjectivity of the functions given below now. Number 1, f from n to n given by f of x equal to x square. Whether it is 1 1 onto or not, both we will check. Dear students, consider the arrow diagram, set of natural numbers to the set of natural numbers. Function you have is f of x equal to x square. Again I tell you the meaning of this one. Take the values of x from the n. N means domain. Always you should take x value from domain. Then you will get the values of f of x. So those will be belongs to the n. That n in this is codomain. So it means x is related to f of x. So after understanding this much, let me start taking the value of x equal to 1 in place of f of x. 1 1 square, that is 1. So 1 is related to 1. If you take 2 2 square, 2 square means 4. So 2 is related to 4. 3 square, 3 is related to 9. So it will continue like this. It means that 1 2 3 4 5 all elements will be related and they will be having same image. Therefore, this function is 1 1 function. That I can prove it in general. Taking A and B are the two elements. So f of A equal to f of B. f of x is x square. If you take a, that will be a square. If you take b, that will be b square. So remember, n contains only positive numbers. Therefore, a is equal to b. Images are equal, elements are also equal. Function is 1 function. Dear students, do you think this is onto? Absolutely, this is not onto. Why? There are reasons. Let me see those reasons. Dear students, 3 belongs to n, that is codomain, does not have a pre-image. It means 3 is not an image. Therefore, the function is not onto. This is one reason, or the way you can tell this is not onto. The another way is that only, finding the range as well as codomain, compare them. Range of this function. Range means after taking x value from natural numbers, you will substitute in the function and you will get the numbers, no, like 1 square, 2 square, so 3 square, 4 square. These 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, these all elements comes under range. So here the range of the function is 1, 4, 9. 4, 9 means 2 square, 3 square. So this is the range of the function and absolutely not equal to codomain, that is natural numbers. Therefore, the function is not onto function. Clearly it is not onto, no doubt. Range is not equal to codomain. Next, again the same question, but f is from z to z, set of integers to set of integers. Again f of x equal to x square. Let us understand the function with the arrow diagram. F from z to z, z means set of integers. Dear students, when you take 0, because of z you can take 0, 0 square will be 0. So 0 is related to 0. 1 is related to 1. What about minus 1? Minus 1, if you take, the whole square will be plus 1. So minus 1 is related to 1, that you can see here. Next, 2 if you take, 2 square, that is 4. Minus 2 if you take, minus 2 if you take, what happens? Minus 2 the whole square, that is equal to 4. It means minus 2 element is related to 4. So you can see that minus 2 is related to 4. So like this you can link. Dear students, do you think this is going to be 1, 1? Absolutely no. This is not 1 function. Clearly you can see 1 and minus 1. 1 is not equal to minus 1. But what is the image of 1? F of 1, that is 1. See, 1 is related to 1. This is the image of 1. F of minus 1 is related to again 1. So from these two I can tell you f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. Here elements are not equal, means different. Elements are different, but images are have become equal. Images are equal. Do you think that this satisfies the definition of 1, 1? Absolutely no. Therefore, this is not 1 function. Elements are different, but images are same. This fails the definition of 1 function that I can see here. F of 2 is equal to f of minus 2. I have taken 1 and minus 1. Here we are taking 2 and minus 2. Why f of 2 equal to f of minus 2? Because image of 2 is 4. Image of minus 2 is also 4. Hence I am writing f of 2 is equal to f of minus 2. But elements are not equal. 2 is not equal to minus 2. Therefore, this is not 1 function. We'll go for onto. Or you can just write it in general. F of a is equal to f of b. A square is equal to b square. Does not imply a equal to b, because z contains positive as well as negative numbers. The answer is either you write this much or this one. If you are writing this part, no, you must mention z contains positive as well as negative numbers. I say better you go for the first one if you feel comfortable. Next, onto. 3 element belongs to Z. Definitely 3 is an integer from the codomain. Does not have a pre-image. Definitely 3 element is not an image of any element from the domain. Therefore, function is not onto. Or find out the range of the function. What is the range? When you start taking integers in f of x equal to x square. Suppose 0 if you take, 0 you will get 1, 1 you will get 2, 4 you will get 3, 9 you will get minus 1, plus 1 you will get minus 2, plus 4 you will get. I mean that the range of this function is going to be 0, 1, 4, 9 and it will continue. Do you think this is the range? Definitely this is the range of the function. Yes, that only I have written. And what about the codomain? Set of integers and not equal to codomain. Dear students, range of the function is 0, 1, 4, 9, 16 by f of x equal to x square, and codomain is the set of integers. Absolutely they are not equal, and from this we will say this function is not onto function. Try to understand the previous one and this one. Function f of x equal to x square is same, but the sets are different. Let me take the next, the same question, but f from R to R, set of real numbers to the set of real numbers. Again f of x is equal to x square. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of this function. Let us understand the function by arrow diagram. 0 is related to 0 because f of x equal to x square. 0 if you take in place of x, 0 square, that will be 0. 0.1 if you take 0.1 the whole square, that is 0.01. You can ask me why 0.1 and all you are taking. Because of real numbers I am taking. You can take those numbers also. Minus 1 is related to plus 1 because minus 1 if you take in place of x, minus 1 the whole square, that will be 1. Next, 2 if you take 4 you will get minus 2, 4 you will get. Dear students, try to understand. 2 is related to 4, even minus 2 is also related to 4. 2 and minus 2 are different, but their image is same, that is 4. So this function is, tell me, this function is 1 1 or not 1 1? This is not 1 1. F of 2 is equal to f of minus 2, but 2 is not equal to minus 2. It is not 1 1 function. Or f of a equal to f of b, a square is equal to b square does not implies a equal to b because R contains positive as well as negative numbers. Hence the function is not 1 1. We will go for onto, very important. Let me take one element b belongs to R, that is nothing but codomain, be an element. If possible, let A belongs to R, that is domain, be the pre-image. Here B is an element in the codomain. For that B, there is A, that we are guessing there is A that is in the domain. Whether for the element B there always exists A in the domain, that we are going to check now. F of A equal to B, f of A is nothing but A square equal to B, and A is equal to root B. Dear students, for the element B in the codomain, there exists an element A, that is root B. Whether this is in the domain or not, that is a big question. Whether this A will belongs to the domain or not is the question. Suppose if you take minus 1 belongs to R, means codomain. For this minus 1, what is your A? See, I am treating this as a B. For this B, A is equal to what we have in general, root B. So A is equal to, what is the value of B I have considered? Minus 1. A is equal to root of minus 1. Is it belongs to the domain, that is set of real numbers? Absolutely no. root of negative numbers does not belongs to real numbers. It means minus 1 is not an image. It means minus 1 does not have a pre-image. Actually, minus 1 pre-image is what? Root of minus 1, but this does not there in the domain. What to do for that? If B is there in the codomain, for B there is no A. If this element is in the codomain, there is no pre-image for this. What we say? Do you say that it is onto function? Absolutely no. Therefore, this function is not onto function because of this all reason. Note down, minus 1 belongs to the codomain, but for minus 1 there is no pre-image. Minus 1 is not an image. That's why this function does not satisfy the definition of onto function. Like this, we have the questions. Go through all the questions. F from n to n given by f of x equal to x cube. Again, the arrow diagram. 1 is related to 1. 2 is related to 8. Why 2 is related to 8? Very simple. When you take x equal to 1, f of 1 will be 1 cube and you will be getting 1. Next element in the domain is a 2. So, f of 2 will be 2 cube, that is 8. So, 1 is related to 1. 2 is related to 8. Can you guess 3 is related to what? 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. So, 3 is related to 27. 4 is related to 5 is related to. It will continue like this only. So, taking this function, check the injectivity and surjectivity. F of a equal to f of b. Suppose images are equal. A cube is equal to b cube. Implies a equal to b definitely, because there are no negative numbers in the set of natural numbers. Hence, this function is 1, 1. Either in this way you say, different elements in the domain have different images in the codomain. Hence, the function is 1, 1 function. Next, for onto. 3 element that you can see in the diagram. 3 is in the codomain, does not have a pre-image. Clearly, you can observe that in the diagram. Therefore, the function is not onto. Or, range of this function is 1, 8, 27 and so on. Codomain is a natural number. So, definitely 1, 8, 27 and so on is not equal to codomain, that is n. Hence, the function is not onto. This is very simple. Hope you understood. Let me take the next question. Z to z given by f of x equal to x cube. Here the function f of x is x cube, but sets are from where to where? Integers to integers. Again, the same function that I discussed earlier, arrow diagram. Here quite different. 0 will come because of integers. 0 is related to 0. 1 is related to 1. Minus 1 is related to minus 1, because if you take minus 1 as x value, f of minus 1 will be, according to this function, minus 1 cube you get. That will be minus 1. So, minus 1 is related to minus 1. Let me take 2. F of 2 will be 2 cube, that is 8. Means 2 is related to 8. Dear students, important. Minus 2 if you take minus 2 cube, that will be minus 8. Because of cube is there. Minus cube will be minus. 2 cube will be 8. So, like this you have to check the elements. 2 is related to 8. Minus 2 is related to minus 8. It will continue like this only. Then, do you think this is 1, 1 function? Clearly this is 1, 1. You can observe each and every element from the domain are different and they have the different images. No doubt at all. Hence, the function is 1, 1 function. Let me take it in general. F of a equal to f of b. A cube is equal to b cube. Implies a equal to b. Hence, the function is 1, 1. Onto element 3 that is there in the set of integers, that is in codomain, does not have a pre-image. Definitely 3 will not be image. 3 is don't have any pre-image. 3 is not an image. Any reason you can say the function is not onto. or range of the function. Look at the range, images, set of images 1, minus 1, 8, like this it will be. Minus 8 also comes in the range and definitely not equal to the codomain, that is Z. The function is not onto. Or you can check in another way. Look at the diagram here, students. F function from Z to Z, domain, codomain. A is an element in the domain, B is an element in the codomain, and we define it as f of A equal to B, where A is in the domain, B is in the codomain. Let B belongs to the set of integers, that is codomain, be an element. If possible, let A belongs to Z, that is domain, be the pre-image. F of A equal to B, as we have in the diagram, f of A equal to B implies f of A according to f of x equal to x cube, what it will be? A cube is equal to B and A is equal to cube root of B. Now the question, B is there in the codomain. For B, we are guessing A is an element. For B, there is A. You can check. For B, there is an A, then it is onto. If there is no A, then it is not onto. So that we are checking here. Observe that if we take phi belongs to Z, because phi is an integer that will be there in the codomain, then cube root of phi, A is equal to cube root of phi. Is a cube root of phi will be there in the set of integers. It will come in the decimals, so it will not be there in the set of integers. Therefore, the function is not onto. Either you write the previous one or this one. For both you will get the marks. See, overall what I am telling in this method is, suppose there is a function, to say this function as onto function. Here B is an element. B represents all the elements of the set B. For all this B, at least there should be one A in the set A. So you are understanding, there is a B in the B, capital B, there exists A in the A, then the function is onto, otherwise not onto. If A does not belongs to A, then the function is not onto. With this method, we say the function is not onto for this example. In each of the following cases, state whether the function is 1, 1 onto or bisective. Justify your answer. See, again the same question 1, 1 onto, but I have to check at the end whether it is bisective or not. Function f from R to R, set of real numbers to the set of real numbers, defined by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Dear students, you have a little bit complex function, not too much, little bit. 1 plus x square. Is this 1, 1? Let me check it in the arrow diagram. Elements from the set of real numbers, elements in the set of real numbers, both domain as well as codomain. Now the function is 1 plus x square. If you start taking 0, what will be getting? If you take x equal to 0 in this function, what I am going to get? F of 0 is equal to 1 plus 0 square, that is 1. It means 0 is related to 1. 0 is related to 1. Like this we will link from domain to codomain. 0 is related to 1. Next, if I take minus 1 as x value, so what will be the image of this one? F of minus 1 is equal to 1 plus, substitute here, x value minus 1. Minus 1 square, that is going to be 2. It means minus 1 is related to 2. Like this we link the elements from domain to codomain. Look at that, minus 1 is related to 2. 2 is related to 5 because 2 square will be 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 2 is also, because if you take x equal to minus 2, f of minus 2 will be 1 plus minus 2 the whole square. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. So what actually I have to do here? Minus 2 is related to 5. This is domain, this is codomain or range. Is this going to be 1, 1? Absolutely no, students. You can check. 2 and minus 2 are not equal, but their images are equal, I feel. What do you feel? Do you feel the same? Definitely, because f of 2 is 5, even f of minus 2 is also 5. Elements are not equal, images are equal. Therefore, function is not 1, 1. That you can see here. F of 2 is equal to f of minus 2, but 2 is not equal to minus 2. That only I explained just now. Hence, it is not 1, 1 function. Or f of a is equal to f of b for any ab belongs to the domain. 1 plus a square is equal to 1 plus b square. I am just writing x value as a in the LHS, x value b in the RHS. 1, 1 cancel. So that does not imply a is equal to b, because R contains definitely positive as well as negative numbers. On to, let B belongs to capital R, that is codomain, be an element. If possible, let A belongs to R, that is domain, be the pre-image. So let us have the element in the codomain, and we'll check whether for B there exists A in the domain or not. If it exists, then it is onto. If it is not, then it is not onto. F of a equal to b is the way of writing the function. This implies f of a 1 plus a square, that is equal to b, and a square is equal to b minus 1, and a is equal to root of b minus 1. This is a for b. Dear students, try to understand. B is in the codomain. For this b, what is a? Root of b minus 1. A is a root of b minus 1. Now we have to check whether it belongs to domain or not. If it belongs to the domain, then it is onto. If it is not belongs, then it is not onto. So now if we observe that minus 1 belongs to R, that is in the codomain, means I am taking this minus 1 as a b. Let me check. A is equal to root of b value is minus 1 minus 1. So root of minus 2. Is it going to be in the domain, students? Domain is also set of real numbers. Definitely does not belongs. Means for the element b, this is not a element which is in the domain. Hence we call this function is not onto function. You can check. A equal to root of minus 2 does not belongs to the domain. Hence it is not onto function. Similar to this one more example we can check. Everything is same. State whether the function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x is 1, 1 onto or bisective. Justify your answer. Again the same, but 3 minus 4x we have. Let us understand by arrow diagram. 0 is related to 3. I am just substituting 0 in f of x. Wherever x is there, write 0. You will get 3. Minus 1 will be related to 7. 2 will be related to minus 5. You can check like previous. Minus 2 will be related to 11. Just write x equal to minus 2 in the function, that is 3 minus 4x. 0.1 is related to 2.6. If you solve by substituting x value 0.1 in the given function f of x. Overall, we say that f of a is equal to f of b implies f of a value according to the function 3 minus 4x, 3 minus 4a, f of b 3 minus 4b, 3 cancel, minus 4a equal to minus 4b, minus 4 and minus 4 cancel, a equal to b. It shows that images are equal, elements are also equal. Therefore, function is 1, 1 function. Next on to. Again, you have to be thorough with this diagram. Domain, codomain, A belongs to domain, B belongs to codomain, and the function will be B equal to f of A or f of A equal to B. Let B belongs to R in the codomain, be an element. If possible, let A belongs to R, that is in the domain, be the pre-image. F of A equal to B. F of A value 3 minus 4A, that is equal to B, and 4A equal to 3 minus b. If you solve it, a equal to 3 minus b by 4. Definitely 3 minus b by 4. The denominator is not a 0. 4 is a number, non-zero number. Definitely it belongs to R. That is nothing but domain. Hence it is onto function. No doubt at all. Let us have this question. Let f from n to n be defined by f of n is equal to, in two ways we define it. That is n plus 1 by 2. If n is an odd number, n by 2, f of n is n by 2 only when n is even number, even natural number. For every n belongs to natural numbers. State whether the function is bisective, justify your answer. Justify your answer. Bisective means 1, 1 on 2. Let us understand the function. F is a function from where to where here? Natural numbers to natural numbers. Dear students, first condition you can see, if n is odd number, what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. These are related to the number that is n plus 1 by 2. Suppose if you take n equal to 1, this is an odd number, then f of 1 will be, apply n plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2, and you will be getting 1. So like this, if you take n equal to 3, odd number, f of 3 will be 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2, and 2 it will be. So like this we have to get the number, students. So how the elements from domain to codomain related? 1 is related to 1, 3 is related to 2, just now I have shown you how to calculate. 5 is related to 3. This is for odd natural numbers. Now for even natural numbers, when you take even natural numbers, you should take f of n as n by 2. So what are the even natural numbers? 2 is related to 1, because if you take n equal to 2, f of 2 will be, you should apply n by 2 na? So 2 by 2 will be 1. That's why 2 is related to 1. You can observe 2 is related to 1. So like this we compare the elements from domain to codomain. 4 is related to 2. 6 is related to 3. From this clearly the function is 1, 1 function, because different elements in the codomain have different images. So no element have same image. Hence the function is 1, 1. Let me see that. F of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 is not equal to 2. Dear students, this function is not 1, 1 function, because you can observe f of 1 is equal to f of 2. Means image of 1, that is 1, image of 2, that is also 1. Here 1 and 2 are not equal, but images are, that is f of 1 is equal to f of 2. Therefore the function is not 1, 1 function. Clearly this function is not 1, 1 function. Next for onto. For every small n belongs to capital N, that is set of natural numbers. Case 1, there are two cases, because f of 1 defined in two ways. This is 1, this is second one. So I have to discuss it for both. If n is odd number, I have to consider n plus 1 by 2 is equal to, what are the numbers you get n plus 1 by 2? When you start taking n as odd number, you will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Case 2, if n is even, that will be n by 2. So what are the numbers you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 you get. Even for odd numbers also 1, 2, 3, 4 get. Totally for natural numbers you will get natural numbers only. So range of f is 1, 2, 3, 4, and codomain is also 1, 2, 3, 4, that is natural number. Therefore this function is onto function. So I discussed this is not 1, 1, but this is onto. Let me take very important example. Show that the function f from n to n given by f of 1 is equal to f of 2 that is equal to 1. Means f of 1 and f of 2 both are equal to the same element, that is 1. And f of x is x minus 1. F of x is x minus 1 only when x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 means what are the x value? Natural numbers. Remember, natural numbers. X is greater than 2 and natural numbers means 3, 4, 5. For 3, 4, 5 and so on, you should take the function f of x equal to x minus 1. And for x equal to 1 and for x equal to 2, you should write their images. F of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 1 only. So taking this type of function, I have to check or prove that the function is onto but not 1, 1. Understand the function? F of 1 equal to f of 2 is equal to 1. Means 1 is related to 1. Even 2 is also related to 1. It is enough. For us, it is enough to say this is not 1, 1. 3 is related to 2. Why 3 is related to 2? X is equal to 3 means it is greater than 2. I should take f of x is equal to x minus 1. The number for x is 3 we have taken. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore 3 is related to 2. 4 is related to 4 minus 1, that is 3. 5 is related to 4. Like this it will continue, students. So now you can see me. 1, 1. F of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 is not equal to 2. F of 1 is equal to f of 2 means what? They are having the same image, that is 1. It is not 1, 1. On to. For x minus 1, every x is greater than 2, you will be getting the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. F of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. So together for both 2, 3, 4, 5 for x greater than 2. And x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. What will be the number? 1. So what is the range of this function? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the range of the function is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. And is equal to codomain definitely, because codomain of this function is natural numbers. So range of the function is equal to codomain. Hence this function is onto function. And we proved this is onto but not 1, 1 function. Let me take the different example and important. A equal to r minus 3, set of real numbers minus 3. And b is equal to real numbers minus 1, set of real numbers minus 1. Means in the set of real numbers there is no number 3. In the set of real number there is no number 1. Taking these two sets, consider a function from a to b defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Is this 1, 1 and on to justify your answer? Again same type of question. Solution. Let us have the first one, 1, 1 function. F of a is equal to f of b. Substitute a and b in this function so that we get f of a and f of b. A minus 2 upon a minus 3. If you substitute b, b minus 2 upon b minus 3. Cross multiply a minus 2 into b minus 3. B minus 2 into a minus 3. This is called cross multiplication. I am just writing cross multiplication like this, multiplying these two terms, multiplying these two terms. So you will get this one. Multiply the term by term, a to b, a to 3, 2 to b, 2 to 3, like this, both in the LHS as well as in the RHS. Like this if you multiply, then we are going to get AB minus 3a minus 2b plus 6, AB minus 3b minus 2a plus 6. After that cancellation, AB and 6 will get cancelled. AB and AB plus 6 and plus 6. So that if I solve that, I am going to get A equal to B. Minus 3a minus 2b minus 3b minus 2a. Taking to the left side and solve it, you will be getting A equal to B. It means 1 1 function. Images are equal, elements are also equal. The function is 1. Students, here about onto, I have to take it as onto function. Look at the way. Here B belongs to capital B, that is called codomain. Okay, be an element, I say. This is an element, like previous example, be an element. If possible, let me take A belongs to capital A, that is in the domain. Okay, f of A is equal to B, exactly like previous examples. For onto, f of A will be A minus 2 upon A minus 3 is equal to B. I will solve for A value. A minus 2 is equal to, if I take A minus 3 here, what happens? AB minus 3B I get. Then I'll go for taking A minus AB is equal to 2 minus 3B, simplification. A common, 1 minus B is equal to 2 minus 3B, and definitely I get A is equal to 2 minus 3B upon 1 minus B, and it will belongs to the domain. What is the domain? R minus the set 3. You can check, this definitely belongs to the set A, that is R minus 3, because this element, remember students, B you will not take 1. Some students may think, sir, in the denominator we may get 0. We may get 0. When we get 0? When you take B equal to 1. But here in the set B clearly mentioned that you should not take 1. So B belongs to capital B means you will never take B value as minus 1. So B is not equal to minus 1. Hence you will not take B value, and this A will be definitely belongs to the domain. What is the domain? R minus the set 3. Hence this function is onto function. Hello students, hope you are understanding this onto function. We'll see the next question, students. Prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R given by f of x equal to square bracket x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where square bracket x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Hope you all studied this in P1 as a type of function, greatest integer function. Solution: 1 1. F of 1 is equal to f of 1.1, means image of 1 and 1.1 are equal. Definitely students, because greatest integer function says the image of 1. Here greatest integer of 1 is 1 itself, because greatest integer of 1 is the integer which is less or equal. Here 1 I have taken, the integer which is equal to 1 is nothing but 1 itself. Similarly 1.1, what is the integer which is less or equal to 1.1? I can't write equal, because 1.1 I have to write, that is not an integer. So less I have to write, that is nothing but 1. So the image of 1 and 1.1 are equal to 1 here, therefore images are equal. But 1 is not equal to 1.1, hence the function is not 1 1. Here images are same, elements are not same, hence we fail the definitions of 1 1 function. Next, let me find out range of the function for onto. What is the range? Here integers only we get. You can observe greatest integer that itself says the range of this function is z. Definitely not equal to codomain, that codomain we have capital R. So codomain is not equal to range, and it is not onto function. Very simple, greatest integer function is neither 1 1 nor onto. Next, similar to that greatest integer, one more we have studied in P1, that is modulus function. Modulus function means absolute values, only positive we get, even if you take negative also. So taking that, prove that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. For 1 1, f of 2 is equal to f of minus 2. Definitely students, no doubt, f of 2 means modulus of 2, that is 2. F of minus 2 means modulus of minus 2, again 2. It means f of 2 is equal to f of minus 2, that only we have written. So images are equal, but 2 is not equal to minus 2, and elements are also not equal. It is not 1 1 function. For onto, find out the range. Absolute, I said you, absolute values positive only we get, including 0 also we get. So the range of this function is 0 comma infinity, closed at 0, open at infinity, and not equal to codomain because capital R. So codomain is not equal to range of the function, and it is not onto function. So greatest integer, modulus, one more is there, that is signum function. Show that the signum function given by f of x equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. This is also neither 1 1 nor onto, you have to prove. Solution: for 1 1 function, f of 2 is equal to f of 3. Why f of 2 is equal to f of 3? Dear students, f of 2 is nothing but 1. F of 3 is also 1 because here x values are 2 and 3. These are greater than 0. When greater than 0, x values are greater than 0, you should take f of x is 1. So f of 2 is 1, f of 3 is also 1. Images are equal, but elements 2 and 3 are not equal, and we fail to get the definition of 1 1. It is not 1 1 function. Onto, range of this function is just 1 0 minus 1. Only these three elements will belongs to the range. So the range of this function is 1 0 minus 1, and codomain definitely capital R, not equal, hence the function is not onto function. So these are the three types: signum, greatest integer, and modulus functions are not 1 1, not onto functions. Dear students, hope you understood all these problems on 1 1 and onto function. I have taken all the problems of 1 1 and onto in one video, because if you start watching this video, you will get complete problems of 1 1 onto bisective function. So once if you sit to watch this video, don't take any break, because if you not take any break, you will understand it continuously. That's why don't take any break, students, while studying 1 1 onto function. Thank you. We'll take some more concepts of relation and function in the next video.